Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a text box in Google Sheets. It's a quick trick that can make your spreadsheets way more interactive and organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add eye-catching notes, labels, or instructions right into your sheets without cluttering up your main data. So let's get started. First up, you'll want to have your Google Sheet open and ready. Make sure you know where you want your text box to end up. Maybe you have a chart that needs a caption, or you want to highlight some special instructions for collaborators. Wherever you want it, you're just a few clicks away. Alright, start by heading up to the top menu and looking for the Insert tab. It's right up there alongside things like File and Edit. Go ahead and click on Insert. This is basically your go-to place for adding anything extra you want in your sheet, whether it's images, charts, or in our case, a text box. Next, once that menu opens up, scroll down a bit until you see the Drawing option. It might not jump out at you right away, but trust me, it's there. Click on Drawing. What this does is open up a special drawing workspace right inside Google Sheets. Think of it like a mini art zone where you can add shapes, lines, text, and more, all without messing up your actual spreadsheet cells. Once you're in the drawing tool, look up at the toolbar at the top. There's a little icon that looks like a rectangle with a T. That's your text box button. Click on that and you're ready to actually create your box. Now click and drag anywhere inside the canvas to draw out your text box. You can make it as big or as small as you like, depending on how much text you want to add. Don't worry too much about getting the sizing perfect right away. You can always adjust it in a second. With the text box now on your drawing, it's time to type in your message. Just click in the text box and start typing. Maybe it's a helpful tip for users, a label for a chart, or even some reminders for yourself. What's great here is that you're not limited by the cell size or cell formatting of the rest of your sheet, so you can really make your message stand out. Here, where you can have a little fun, customize the appearance of your text box. Up at the top of the drawing window, you'll see options for changing the font style, size, color, and even the border or fill color of your text box. Maybe you want a bright yellow background to catch someone's attention, or bold red text for an important warning. Play around until the text box looks just right for your needs. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first try. You can always come back and edit it later. Once you're happy with how your text box looks and you've double-checked your spelling, head over to the upper right corner of the drawing tool and click Save and Close. This will drop your finished text box directly into your Google Sheet. You can click and drag to move it around, resize it, or even double-click on it if you need to edit the contents later on. And that's it, you've just added a text box to your Google Sheet. It's such a simple feature, but it really elevates the clarity and look of your documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new tip. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.